today I decided to make a video outside. It's just a nice weather outdoors. Today I want to talk about if engineering is worth it as a career. First, you have to consider if you like it. If you like engineering, then go for it. I mean, you're gonna get paid well, and most types of engineering, some of them, no, it's not worth going for them. But if you are really passionate about some type of engineering, it has a good market, go for it. You will make it good. Now, on average, you will study for 5 years or something like that to get your bachelor's, or 4 years depending. Plus, if you decide to go for a master's, if you decide to get your IT, you will study more. Now, another thing in engineering and most science field, you will always be studying. It's not like I'm done with school, I'll never have to see a book ever again. On the contrary, like, you will read more because now you are more responsible, you have more liability for stuff like that. So these are things that you need to consider. Now, salary is higher on engineering degrees than other types of degrees, but it's also way more stressful, and a lot of times it requires overtime. Let's say, for example, a teacher position, usually the average salary for entry level is like 45, and for engineering it's 55, something like that. You will have way more stress. I would presume, I mean, I'm not a teacher, but I would think that in engineering you will have way more stress because, I mean, it's just harder, I think. Other things that you need to consider is, do you like math, or do you think you can deal with math? It's a lot of math. There's no way around it. Math is awesome. Like, it's just people are like, they have, I don't know, they're like wired to think that this is not fun. Math is super awesome. Math is fun, but there's some people who just is not for them. And if you don't think math is good for you, I mean, probably choose another career. There's a lot of other high-paying degrees that you don't need math, like biology. I don't know, lawyer, doctor. You don't need a lot of math for that, but you do need a good memory. That's one of the reasons I chose engineering, because I have a horrible memory, and I don't need to remember anything in engineering. I just need to understand the concept, and then I go for a book and grab what I need. But I have such a horrible memory. But engineering overall is worth it if you want a high-paying job, if you like math, and if you want something meaningful for the world, because most of the job that you do as an engineer is something useful. For example, for me, we design buildings. These buildings, you need to design them correctly, because if you design them wrong, a lot of people could die. The same for like computer science or biology, medicine. All those fields are very interesting, and you need to follow what you are passionate about. And if you really like engineering, if you're passionate about it, go for it. Subscribe to my channel, and hope you like this video.